Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Larissa here. So in today's video, we're going to be doing something a little different. So today we're going to be making something called Ekwang. And Ekwang is a Cameroonian dish that is well known and very popular. And it's also very delicious. Let me tell you something. If you don't have the time or the patience to do this, you cannot make this dish. Like, it's so much work. It literally took like all day. So let's get started. Before we start, I just want to remind you again that this dish does require a lot of time and patience. So, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grate the cocoa, and we're going to put a little salt into it and mix it up, and we're gonna break the leaves into little pieces. I'm sorry I can't have like a video of me doing it because it's hard to record while doing it. And we're also gonna need some fish and some crayfish, just like to have a little meat inside, also for flavoring. I also forgot to mention that you need red oil, palm oil. So first thing first, you want to put oil at the bottom of the pot and spread it all over. You also need to put it at the corners. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but you also have to put either salt or Maggi inside the cocoa and mix it up so it has some taste. And before you start wrapping it up into the leaves, just like that. When wrapping the cocoa, you want to put little quantities. That's why this thing takes a long time to do because you have to wrap it really, really small. Some people make it really big, which is not really good because it has to be small. And you have to make sure that the bottom part is down, it's covered down to keep it in place. I'm so sorry about this video being so shaky and all that because I asked my little sister to record this and she just kept moving it like yikes.
Say eh.
Me is not person for Auntie Jenny. For you with the say they there for Cameroon. I always saw them. They know Ekwang Parawa. Yes, this is Ekwang.
This is Ekwang.
Yes, Ekwang is going.
It's going.
Again.
So what are you putting in the eggplant?
Here we have cocoyam.
No.
Yeah,
Right.
great that. I know it does say with you. Okay, no, I tell you tonight, cocoyam this.
Yes.
So here we have cocoyam
Yes.
that has been grated,
Yes.
and then we're going to put crayfish.
Yes.
We're gonna put dry fish,
Yes.
also called it mololo, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mololo.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to make sure when you're making the ekwang, you have to make it all around the pot. You have to leave the
First thing
the
you
middle.
put red oil.
First put red oil on the pot, and then you tie the ekwang. Make sure the ekwang is around. The middle has to be left open.
Yeah, so that you can put the fish on the inside.
So you put the fish, the spices, and everything in the middle.
Yeah.
And here we're just tying it.
Good.
it's a good. Don't want too much, or it's gonna push out. As I say, it's gonna come out the leaf. You put too much ekwang, right, mommy? If you put plenty cocoa, it go push, come off of the leaf.
So yeah, we just finished tying the whole thing. Yes, that whole big pot that you see over there, we tied that whole thing. And what I'm doing is I'm putting hot water in there and I'm just gonna cover the pot so it can like dial down. Like so the eggplant can like I don't know how to explain it, but just like so it can like stick to the leaf basically. And so when we put the spices, it's not gonna come out. Now let's move on to the ingredients that we're gonna need for the spices. We need pepper, we need celery, ginger, garlic, and cilantro. That's what I use. I also use leeks. I don't know if you guys know what that is. It's that one, the little long one that you can see at the back. So here I just have everything in the blender, and I also put about 6 Maggi in there for taste, and we're just gonna blend everything up like that, as you can see, and it gives it like a very dark greenish color. So just blend it into a very smooth paste. So here we're done blending it, and it's very smooth. And now we're just gonna pour it into the pot. And remember, you cannot stir this the traditional way. So there's a technique or there's a way for you to. Les hommes aiment les femmes à cause de la sauce. So when it comes to stirring the pot, you can't stir the traditional way. So you have to like move it from the corners, like I'm doing in this video. You have to take the spoon and just like go around it so it doesn't scatter or it doesn't come out from the leaf. So now I just added more water and then I cover up the pot so it can cook. And then while that's happening, I just like get ready to add the crayfish. So here I am just beating it up so it can break down in little pieces. Because it needs to be little pieces or it's gonna poke your mouth when you're trying to eat this. And then I'm just gonna pour it into the pot and then stir it again gently. I just want to say I'm so sorry about this whole shaking the camera thing, because my little sister is the one recording this. But yeah, so you just basically stir it from the corner and just work your way up into the middle, and then you also have to add red oil. Oil is what gives it its nice color. So yeah, this is the final result, y'all. Doesn't that look so good? I'm not gonna lie to you. This was done in about 2 to 3 days. It was all gone. It was just that good. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Anyway, so that's it for this video, and I could put the recipe down in the description below for anyone who would like to make this or would like to give it a try. And don't ask me what is the measurement, because I'm African and our eyes are our measurement. We don't do measurement. Anyway, but yeah, we're done. That's it. Bye.